Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my version of gumbo. Let's get to it. So this is my version of gumbo. It was absolutely delicious. It was exactly what I needed when I was craving this comfort food from the South. And it was no way authentic or by any mean, but this is how I did it. And let's make some gumbo, guys. I am going to start by marinating all my protein, well, most of my protein, and here I'm marinating the shrimp. For this, I am using some Cajun homemade style spices that I made. Then I'm going to marinate some chicken thigh. For this, I am just using a blend of spices that I mixed together. I'm going to mix everything all together until everything is well combined, and I'm going to set this aside for a few. Now it's time to start cooking our proteins. First, I will add some oil to some hot pan, and now I'm going to cook my shrimp. I won't be cooking the shrimp all the way through, just like all my protein, just for it to get some color and the marinade is crusted on the shrimp. I will just have this on for maybe 1 minute or so on each side. The heat is very high. Once I remove all the shrimp from the pan, I add a little bit more oil. Now it's time for me to cook my sausages. I am going to cook them until they're brown on both sides. Once my sausage is removed, I'm going to clean my pan, add some more oil. Now it's time to cook the chicken. The chicken can finish cooking in the gumbo itself. I'm just looking for a little bit of color. Once my chicken is nice and brown, I'm going to clean the pan once more and add some butter to my pan. Now I'm going to add some onion and cook them until they're translucent. Now I'm going to add my crab that I have been cleaned in half and I removed my shell. This is my favorite way to eat this kind of crab. Now I'm going to add a little bit of Cajun seasoning on the crab as well and cook them maybe halfway. After about 5 minutes or so, I'm going to remove my crabs and put them to the side. They can finish cooking in the gumbo. And remember guys, if you are enjoying my content, hit that subscribe button on the bottom. Now it's time to make the roux, which is the base of the gumbo. I'm going to add some canola oil and some flour. I'm going to lower my heat and let this flour cook and turn to this brown, rich color. The steps require a lot of patience. Keep the heat low and stir constantly until you get that brown, beautiful color. This is the color that I like, but if you want, you can let the flour cook longer. Next step, I'm going to add in my chopped onion, my chopped celery, and my chopped green peppers, and let them cook until they're translucent. We can't forget about the garlic. Here I have some chopped garlic that I add to this. Once the garlic is fragrant, I'm going to add my chicken broth. Then we mix to combine. Now this ingredient, I like it in my gumbo, but it's not authentic. I like some chopped or diced tomatoes in there. Now I'm going to add in my sausage and my chicken. I'm going to stir in the meat, and I'm going to add my bay leaves as well as my crabs. Next, I'm going to add in my okra. And for the last few minutes of the gumbo, I'm going to add in my shrimp. This is it. I thought it was intimidating at first, but this was actually pretty easy to make, but it was just a very long dish and it took a lot of patience, but it was so worth it because it was so delicious and my whole entire family enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, let me know in the box below.